Let us try one more where all the lines go converge into the vanishing point. We are going to use the same technique, but here we are going to try and draw one vehicle. We are going to try and draw some projections coming out in the elevation. Okay, so basically how we always start by horizon line and a vanishing point. Okay, and here I am going to start with the building which is in the extreme rather than in the near the vanishing point. So what I do is I will first begin by drawing my road lines. Okay. Okay, so this becomes the center portion becomes my road, and whatever is happening on both the sides like flanked by buildings. So I will begin with one building over here. Okay, so I will draw a vertical line over here, and immediately I will start dividing this line into 3 meter equal division. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then it goes above 15. Okay, so I will begin by I will also decide how much I want my building to be. So say I want it to be this much. Okay, so this is the base of the building. This is how it goes inside. So probably my street also would go inside, so I will decide how much I want it to go inside and then let it be. Okay, so based on these divisions, now I will make the floors. Maybe going above something. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, and here again I will, so you can also stop this building over here and maybe something is happening is what you can show. The next building I want a little bit ahead of this building. Okay, so draw lines over here. Okay, so again from these lines only I am going to take references. So this is my second building. You can go on adding more and more number of buildings to this. Alright, so same thing you can do here. I'm quickly going to add it. Again, these points you can draw horizontals like this and bring those reference points on this side and take it from there. Now we will also see if we want to do some kind of a projections. Okay, then how to do them. So say for example I want a canopy over this door. Then in that case I will draw horizontal line which are parallel to my horizon line, and then from the vanishing point like that. Okay, so you can give it some kind of a thickness also if you one. Alright, so this is how it would be. So at any level you want to make balcony projection or anything like that, you can try using this particular method. Okay, so now let us draw a vehicle on the road. Say I will draw a bus. So again, this, considering this as 3 meters, we are taking the height of the bus approximately 2.8, 2.5, 2.8 meters, and we draw two parallel lines like that. Okay, and we draw a box. And then from the top of the box, so it's like a cuboid that we are wanting to draw, goes to the vanishing point like that, and at a safe distance, like consider this, okay, how much would this be, how many meters would this be, how many meters would this be. So approximately take the depth of the bus. Okay, so now we add some details to this, like we add the front mirror, like that. Okay, so like this you can add cars, you can add other vehicles also. Humans, adding humans in the same way. So this 3 meter, 1.5 meters, so approx, this would be the eye level. Okay, so once you add one human figure, you can again take the references from there. So it's another, again you can take okay. So like this you can draw human figures also in your drawing. So this is how you complete. You can show division on the road. So here I may show the vehicles only going one way, one direction, but if you are going both the ways, then make sure that you follow the keep left thing. Okay, so you can complete this drawing again with openings, with relevant details, as many details as possible you can add, so you have to be very fast in exam. Okay, alright, so this is how you can try outdoor city views, cityscapes in 1 point perspective. You can also try village scenes or some countryside scenes using the same technique.